Founded in 1996, XINLEI Compressor Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise engaging in R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service of compressors. XINLEI upholds the spirit of innovation creating value. We have passed ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System, ISO 14001:2015 Environmental Protection System certification with technical innovation strength and scientific management strength, and obtained ASME, GS, CE, UL, ETL, TUV, and many other international authoritative qualifications. The main products of XINLEI Compressor are screw compressor, piston compressor, and centrifugal blower with more than 1,000 models from 1 horsepower to 600 horsepower. Mastering the core technology of compressors have become the firm belief of XINLEI's continuous technological innovation. It has established a provincial-level enterprise technology center and is a complete technical force and scientific research team. At present, the company has obtained 30 invention patents, 48 utility model patents, and 12 appearance patents. XINLEI has a complete industrial manufacturing capability and rich production experience, and has established a modern high-standard hose processing center equipped with advanced production lines and equipment at home and abroad. In terms of quality control, it uses a single number to trace the quality control mechanism. All products are tested strictly to ensure product quality. XINLEI Compressor serves the world. We have established a comprehensive sales service system around the world to provide customers with multidimensional, comprehensive pre-sales and after-sales technical services. At the same time, according to different countries and regions and different conditions, we can provide customized products for different voltages, different pressures, etc., and a complete digital IoT platform solution. XINLEI Compressor focuses on ingenuity with higher value core technologies to solve the power demands of the compressor industry.